Hi folks, I'm back with another episode and I have a question for you. What do you think? Is this healthy? Is this healthy to eat? Beef, pork, wild pork and beef and sausage. Do you think it's healthy? If you think it is, then you are wrong because it's everything except healthy. But in this video presentation which I put together for you, I'm going to share with you 12 daily keto breakfast routines that you can start applying to have a healthier immune system, stronger immune system, to lose weight faster, and to virtually to feel more energized, saying goodbye to fatigue. So enjoy this video. I hope it's going to be very, very educational for you. You will learn from a lot because I have done my very best to help you as much as I could, sharing very, very useful tips to stay healthy or to become healthier. So watch the video, enjoy it. Thanks.
Welcome back, keto and healthy living enthusiasts, with another value-rich educational video with daily keto breakfast routine tips and a few nutritional keto breakfast recipes. Watch the entire video. So you want to eat healthier and live healthier? Well then, you're in the right place to learn more how ketogenic diet can put you on the right path to a healthier lifestyle. We're about to unlock the secrets to a healthy keto breakfast routine. Get ready to transform your mornings and take your keto journey to the next level with these 12 game-changing tips and recipe ideas. Let's do this. Let's build the ultimate keto breakfast routine. It starts with the first thing you do when you wake up. Before coffee, grab a tall glass of water. After sleep, your body is dehydrated. Drinking water replenishes fluids, kickstarts metabolism, and flushes out toxins. It's crucial on a keto diet to prevent keto flu symptoms. Start your day with at least 16 ounces of water. Now let's talk about what you're actually putting on your plate for breakfast. When you're on keto, it's all about those healthy fats. We're talking about foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and even things like fatty fish. Healthy fats are your primary source of energy on a keto diet and help you feel fuller for longer. They break down slowly, providing sustained energy throughout the morning. So, how do you incorporate more healthy fats into your breakfast? It's easier than you think. It can be tempting to reach for those convenient breakfast options, but processed foods are your worst enemy. We're talking about things like sugary cereals, pastries, and even those seemingly healthy breakfast bars. These foods are often loaded with hidden carbs, sugar, and unhealthy additives. Instead, focus on whole, natural ingredients like fresh fruits, vegetables, eggs, and lean protein sources. These foods are packed with nutrients and will fuel your body the right way. Remember, the key to a successful keto breakfast is to keep it clean and simple. Let's talk about a delicious and easy keto breakfast recipe, a personal favorite: avocado and smoked salmon salad. Start with fresh spinach or arugula, then add creamy avocado, smoky salmon, cucumber, and red onion. Sprinkle with capers, drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice, and season with salt and pepper. A perfect start to your day with energy and flavor. For a quick and easy breakfast, try chia seed pudding with coconut milk. Chia seeds are packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Combined with coconut milk, they create a delicious pudding-like texture. Mix 1/4 cup of chia seeds with 1 cup of coconut milk. Add a natural sweetener, and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, enjoy your creamy, ready-to-go breakfast. Top with fresh berries, nuts, or coconut cream for extra indulgence. Let's talk about a secret weapon for staying full and satisfied on a keto diet: fiber-rich vegetables. Fiber helps to slow down digestion, regulate blood sugar levels, and keep you feeling fuller for longer. Plus, vegetables are loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Some great options include spinach, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, and avocado. You can add them to your smoothies, omelets, or simply saute them with a little butter or olive oil for a delicious and nutritious side dish. Here's a fun and refreshing breakfast idea that's perfect for those busy mornings: cream cheese and cucumber roll-ups. These little bites are packed with flavor and healthy fats, and they are so easy to make. Simply slice a cucumber lengthwise into thin strips. Spread a layer of cream cheese on each strip and add your favorite toppings. Some great options include smoked salmon, chopped chives, everything bagel seasoning, or even a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Roll up the cucumber slices and secure them with a toothpick if needed. Let's talk about how to add a burst of flavor to your keto breakfasts without adding extra carbs or calories. Herbs and spices are your secret weapons in the kitchen. They can transform even the simplest dishes into culinary masterpieces. Add some fresh basil and oregano to your scrambled eggs. Sprinkle some cumin and chili powder on your avocado toast, or add a dash of cinnamon to your coffee. Not only do herbs and spices enhance the flavor of your food, but they also offer a range of health benefits. Many herbs and spices have anti-inflammatory properties, can aid in digestion, and can even boost your metabolism. Looking for a hearty and satisfying keto breakfast that will keep you going all morning long? Look no further than these sausage and spinach casserole. It's packed with protein, healthy fats, and flavor, and it's perfect for meal prepping. To make it, simply brown some ground sausage in a skillet. Add in some chopped spinach, onion, and your favorite keto-friendly vegetables. Pour the mixture into a baking dish and top with a mixture of eggs, cheese, and heavy cream. Bake in the oven until golden brown and bubbly. Let's talk about a quick and easy breakfast option that's perfect for those busy mornings: the green keto smoothie. This smoothie is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with leafy greens, healthy fats, and protein. To make it, simply combine a handful of spinach or kale, half an avocado, a scoop of your favorite keto-friendly protein powder, and a cup of unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk in a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Craving something sweet and refreshing for breakfast? This berry blast keto smoothie will hit the spot without derailing your keto goals. Berries are low in carbs and high in antioxidants, making them a great addition to your keto diet. To make this smoothie, simply combine a cup of your favorite berries like raspberries, strawberries, or blueberries with a cup of unsweetened almond milk, a scoop of collagen peptides, and a tablespoon of almond butter or coconut butter. Blend until smooth and creamy. Let's end this list with a decadent and satisfying breakfast option: the chocolate peanut butter keto smoothie. This smoothie tastes like a milkshake but is packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber to keep you full and satisfied. To make it, simply combine a cup of unsweetened almond milk, a scoop of chocolate, keto-friendly protein powder, a tablespoon of peanut butter or almond butter, a tablespoon of cocoa powder, and a few ice cubes in a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. So, there you have it, guys. 12 secrets to a healthier and more energized keto breakfast routine. By incorporating these tips and recipes into your morning routine, you'll be setting yourself up for success, boosting your energy levels, and staying on track with your health goals. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one of these keto breakfast recipes are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome keto tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video.